Also developing within the past 2 hours, the Orange-Osceola state attorney addressing comments made by the Osceola County Sheriff regarding drug trafficking cases.
State Attorney Monique Worrell talking to the media just hours after she had a luncheon with another sheriff who criticized her handling of other cases. News 6's Catherine Silver is live in Orange County tonight. And Catherine, all of this comes as the state attorney's office has also been under close watch by state leaders.
Yes, you'll remember that the governor had criticized the previous prosecutions of the suspect arrested after that deadly shooting in Pine Hills in February. His general counsel had since requested some records from the state attorney, and she responded to those requests publicly. Today, she called his criticisms and comments made from both sheriffs part of a coordinated attack.
I will continue to push back against false narratives.
State Attorney Monique Worrell once again on the defense, speaking publicly from her office for the fourth time since February.
I will stand before this community as many times as I need to.
This time responding to an allegation made by Osceola Sheriff Lopez that her office was failing to prosecute illegal drug traffickers aggressively.
2022 arrest for the trafficking of fentanyl.
Lopez listing the work his deputies are doing to get drugs off the streets at a press conference Thursday. Records released by his office show out of the 73 drug trafficking cases from 2022 that have been prosecuted, 29 have been dropped or the offender pled to other charges.
When you see a case that is being pled down to a sale and delivery instead of the trafficking, that means there was probable cause and there was beyond a reasonable doubt.
In 2022, 13 drug trafficking cases were resolved in a minimum mandatory or higher sentence.
Worrell's response comes while she's at a war of words with both sheriffs and the governor.
I think that's important.
Earlier today, both Worrell and Orange County Sheriff John Mina sat in a room together for the first time publicly, part of a panel on teen gun violence hosted by the Central Florida Tiger Bay Club. Both were asked how the back and forth between them impacts public safety.
No one should ever think that our community is less safe because we aren't on the same page on a couple different cases.
When we criticize each other's work, what we're saying is, you, deputy, you did something wrong. You, assistant state attorney, you did something wrong. And I think that, number one, it increases the issues that we're having in retention of employees, because eventually they throw their hands up and they say, well, I just don't want to do this job anymore.
And I did ask Worrell if she has been able to speak with Sheriff Lopez since he made those comments last week. She told me he had never brought up any of those concerns before, and she found out about them when he announced them to the public. I'm live in Orange County. Catherine Silver, Getting Results, News 6.